You know you're in Palm Beach when you get out of your car and the first thing you see is that. Where's my keys? Oh, we got the Bentley. This place is littered with Ferraris. Hope I step in some trash. Okay guys, so here we are on the world famous Worth Avenue, known for exclusive shopping outside, right here in the heart of Palm Beach. This is big money here, guys, big money. I mean, look at the stores. Maggi. Probably, you know, like when Ivanka Trump comes down here, she goes shopping here. You know the Kardashians do when they're not shopping at Bal Harbor. What do you think, baby, of Worth Avenue? Did you bring your credit cards with you? I hope not. Ooh, that's a lovely dress, baby. That would look great on you. Better on you than me. What's up, buddy?
You sure?
I'll take it. What is it?
That's our moisturizer. You should try also our eye treatment.
No, she missed out on her opportunity. I got it. It's all mine now. I got the moisturizer, ladies and gentlemen. She missed. She missed out. Thank you.
I wanted to be a part of your vlog. What are you filming for?
I gotta put this up so I don't know. I'm the barefoot vlogger. I have a vlog on YouTube.
Wow, that's nice. About what?
About Florida. Living in Florida, moving to Florida. We have a lot of people that are moving here.
Where you guys moved from?
We're down here from up north, but for a long time.
Ah, okay.
Tell us about you, though. No,
Well,
they know
I
about me.
actually
They don't
just-
want to hear about me. They want to hear about you.
Well, I moved from Russia, so this is
No
much
way.
better. Yes.
Latvia.
Oh, there you go. You see,
The
most
Russian
beautiful
connection.
ladies is Russian.
Yeah,
you know?
why is that? Why are you guys all so damn gorgeous? What's up with that?
I don't know. Good.
the
Oh,
women that-
she's beautiful. Are you
think
a
so?
model?
Hey, she did okay, too.
I'm from Russia.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, let
Do
me...
you speak Russian?
Откуда?
Yes, well, my papa с Украины, мама с России, из Санкт-Петербурга.
А, окей. А есть
Вау.
Латвия?
С Латвии? Такая красавица вообще. Я на тебя смотрела оттуда и говорю, вау, я тебе должна сказать, что ты как модель.
Спасибо.
Как тебя зовут?
Света.
Света, я Мишель. Nice to meet you. Да. Oh, well, my dad is Ukrainian.
Okay.
My mom is Russian from St. Petersburg.
Oh, nice. I want to go visit.
All right, guys. We'll see you
Michelle,
around.
thanks for coming out to say
come
hello.
visit.
What's the name of your place? We'll put it on this.
It's called Senses Boutique. We actually specialized about safe and natural solution for facelifts, Botox, Juvederm, anything
Facelifts
like that.
and
Yes.
Botox. Let's go. I'm going.
All
this way.
natural way. Let's go. Come on.
Senses Boutique.
Yes.
Come and see Michelle.
Yes,
All
thank
right.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. What is this place?
After.
Oh, wow. This place is nice. There's some people here, but it's so quiet, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that small bridge, baby, that connects two buildings. I never seen it. The small bridge.
Oh, yeah. It's like a catwalk up there with a little outside patio. Guys, you walk down some of these little side streets and you have these open courtyards like this. It's like you'd almost feel like you're in Italy or Spain or something. These are the little hideaways that the guy was telling us about, that you come down and you walk between the buildings. They have those sort of hidden spots back in there. Wow. Look at the Christmas flowers. We got the Christmas tree out. It's Florida's version of Rockefeller Center right there. Sandro Navidu, what's this? Oh, that's closed. You know what, guys? It's feeling Christmassy. It's a big tree. It ain't Rockefeller Center, but it's big. A Christmas tree flanked by 3 palm trees. Only in Florida. Doesn't it remind you of like Greece or something? Like one of the Greek islands? Somewhere in France, the south of France, or even Italy, something like that, yeah. It's very Mediterranean, guys. Like, look at this little staircase going up. With the sconce, mosaic style. Very lovely indeed. And look at the upstairs. This is where they scream down to you when it's time to come home. Anthony! Time to eat! Guys, if I blindfolded you and brought you here, would you think that this was Florida or someplace else? It's really got a European feel to it. Look at this architecture. Where did you disappear to? Which alcove did you get lost in? Wow, it's really lovely back here. You can see it's really Mediterranean inspired, and it's timeless, guys. It's funny because I go down to the Key West to feel like I'm far away, but you know what? I didn't realize you could come right here to Palm Beach, and you feel like you're on Mykonos in Greece or something. Wow, guys, look at the bougainvillea plants growing up along the side of the building. This is really cool. Spanish barrel tile roofs. You think it's cool, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Table of 2?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Follow me, please. Okay.
Got a good seat for us? Nice and romantical.
Enjoy.
Cheers, baby. So where are we? Tell everyone.
It's Al Fresco.
Yes.
It's Italian, nice cozy restaurant with typical Italian menu.
And my Mexican beer. That's all they had on draft was Modelo and Blue Moon. And I wasn't feeling the slice of orange. I was feeling the slice of lime. What are you thinking? You're feeling a salad tonight? You said they're known for the pizza, so I mean, pick out a good one. Just not the one with the salmon and the caviar on it. I'm not feeling that one.
What about capricciosa?
Even though they call it the Palm Beach, that's the Palm Beach pizza, is the one with the salmon and the caviar on it.
Baby, what about capricciosa?
I'll see you in the bathroom 10 minutes after I ate that thing. What?
Read capricciosa pizza.
Capriccioso. How do you spell capriccioso?
You know what does mean capricciosa?
Something to do with meat?
No.
Tell everybody what capricciosa means.
Capricciosa, like spoiled, like always complain, spoiled, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Trying to tell me something about what pizza I should get based on my behaviors? Well, it's got mozzarella, it's got prosciutto, mushrooms. I don't like artichoke on my pizza. I like artichoke, just not on my pizza. Certain things I like, but I don't like them on pizza. Caviar would be another one. Okay, I found it. Dello Chef. Mozzarella, broccoli rabe, crumbled sausage, and roasted garlic. What say you,
I think
Svetlana?
we can order half for your taste and half for my taste.
That was a no. Ooh, those look good. What's your name, buddy?
The menu.
The menu? Like you're holding the menu there?
Exactly. It's like one wing.
Okay. I won't forget your name then. Thanks, the menu. Boy, he was made for this business with that name.
It's really cool here.
What do you think, baby? What do you think of Palm Beach? I have never brought you here before, really. What's your thoughts?
I'm surprised because it reminds me like French, Italian.
It kind of takes you home. You feel like you're back in Europe a little
Yeah.
bit. You feel like you're on a Greek island or you're on like the coast of Spain or something like that.
Exactly. It
Wow.
completely different architecture, the style.
It's like I feel like I'm on holiday right now. So do I. Cheers, baby. Let's drink to that. Your water and my beer. Clink. We have all of these lovely statues right next to us, all lit up. It's beautiful. Reminds me of the Vanderbilt out on Long Island. I went to a wedding there once years ago. It was beautiful, and it was kind of like this. Similar lush courtyard, European island-like. Like really, honestly, like this could be like somewhere on a Greek island. And you've been to the Greek islands. Does this remind you of it?
Yeah.
Which island?
I hope pizza will be yummy.
Still worried about the pizza. As long as there's no caviar on it, we're okay. Look how pretty it is in there, though. And it's funny too because they made it look like pretty Christmassy. They even have the little lights on the walls of the building. That's the closest thing we'll get to snowfall.
It's good that you listen, baby, to me to come to see the downtown. You didn't want first.
Oh, you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? This is all her idea. We all have to thank Svetlana
Because
for this video.
You want to take another drink in the hotel.
Low be it for me to say no to another drink at the hotel when I'm looking at the ocean. And fish that are built into the bar. Oh, what do we got? Oh, yeah, it is the appetizer. Look at that. Beautiful. Frito misto, it's called?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, wow, that's a lot of food. Thank you, buddy. Dig in. We have shrimp, calamari, it's like, and zucchini. Dig in. How is it? Yeah, put some lemon on there, on those bad boys. Okay, that's enough, not that much. I'm drowning it in this stuff. Can I get some calamari with that lemon? Good? You weren't very convincing.
No, it's not.
Let's see what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be the judge of this.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. Can't take her anywhere. What do you like? You like the red sauce or you like the tartar sauce? The red sauce is the way to go. Mushrooms? I think they're mushrooms. Are they mushrooms? Do you know what these are? Oysters or something? Mushroom? I thought so. Mushrooms. Calamari, zucchini, mushrooms, and shrimp. Thank you, sweetheart. At least now we know what we're eating. It's fried. We don't usually eat this kind of stuff, but
Fried is always delicious.
fried is always delicious.
Yeah.
Tell that to my clogged arteries.
Then Jalisco.
You from Jalisco?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. You know what? Some of the best restaurants I ever ate at in my life were in Mexico. In Acapulco, there was a restaurant. I don't think it's still there. It was called Cayuga 22. On the mountains, overlooking the ocean. It was incredible. To this day, the most beautiful scenic restaurant I ever ate at and the best food.
Maybe I leave calamari for you.
No, eat, baby, eat.
You like calamari?
Throw it on your pizza.
You never seen baby pizza frutti di mare.
No, I don't want
You
to
will
see
see
it.
now. You will like it.
Seafood and pizza just doesn't go. I don't know. Am I crazy, you guys? What do you call those little fish? Those anchovies that some people put on pizza? No thanks. No, I don't want no fish on nowhere near my pizza. Not even on the same table.
Because you don't like fish.
I'd rather have blood sausage on my pizza. Sorry, Frank.
He doesn't like fish.
No, that's not true. I like fish. Certain things have to be kept separate. Pizza and fish. Exhibit A. Think we liked it? How was it, baby?
Delicious.
Oh, wow. What do we got here? What do we got?
Potato chip pizza.
Oh, look at that, baby.
Frutti di mare pizza.
Fruta de mare. Oh,
Thank you.
Enjoy.
beautiful. Thank you so much, buddy.
My pizza looks...
I smell her fish from here. All right, guys. Cheers. Can you say cheers with a slice of pizza? I just did. You got sausage and you got broccoli rabe and mozzarella cheese, and he threw some kind of a special marinara sauce. Whoa, it's collapsing. Structural integrity. How's your fruit
It's hot.
It's like a brick oven style pizza. It's like kind of charred on the bottom. You can see that. And it's pretty good. It ain't, you know, Brooklyn pizza, but it's nice. The setting and everything in the atmosphere makes it all great. Ooh, look at her. Look at that cheese go. Look at
And
that.
I like it. It's a thin.
Yes, it's thin crust. Spicy.
Yours is spicy? Do you want to taste mine?
No, I don't want to taste that. I can't do fish on pizza. But I'm glad you're enjoying it. Smile. This is good. Look at that. Look at that broccoli rabe. Fresh ingredients. Just like Papa John. Baby, look at that door up there. What a strange place for a door. Why would they put a door there? Like, what are you gonna do there? Watch that first step. It's a doozy.
Maybe there used to be a staircase.
I don't know. Come home drunk one day and open the wrong door. Wow, they're packing it in here. All of a sudden, it's getting crowded. Food was really good. We had 2 different pizzas and a nice appetizer, a couple of beers, and we're good to go. We're gonna go walk this off. What say you, Svetlana? You're pleasantly pleased?
Everything was. So come to visit Palm Beach.
Just want to check this out over here. Is this the bar? Is that the bar over there?
Yes.
Can I go take a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, this is beautiful in here. Look at this. Can I go in? Wow. So this is the restaurant, guys. Tell me it. Look at this. The other place we didn't eat at, but look how pretty it is in here. Man, next time this place. Wow, this is beautiful. What's the name of this restaurant? Renato's? Beautiful. And look at all the lights. That line, the entire street going all the way out on Worth Avenue. These are all palm trees, by the way, in case you didn't know. So guys, talking about the Christmas spirit, I'm getting it right here, right now, in Palm Beach, Florida, where it's probably right around 80 degrees. Got the Christmas music on, we got people out here, and we got this incredible tree that's decorated so beautifully for the holidays. Who needs Rockefeller Center?
Oh my god, that's the moving. Look.
Santa Claus scared you, huh? He's getting a good night's sleep before he loads up the sleigh. Look at him go. Right here in Florida. He's a little far off from that workshop. What is it? 35 cents? Yeah, add $1 million to that. Come on, you drive. I'll go with you. It's your car, isn't it? You have something on your lip. Oh, it's a mirror. I'm like, who is that good-looking guy? Why are you taking the one I'm eating? Take your own slice. Should we go down? She's like, can I try it? Instead of taking a new slice, she takes the one that I was already eating. Yeah.
I have a pizza.
Brand new slice.
It's too much for me.
Then take the one I was eating. Playing music? Jingle bells. How is it? Yours is better? Oh, my dreams.